So bike has done around okay, the odor reading will not come now. So I'm around 10,500 mark. The tire was replaced around 7,800 kilometers, so it is just around 3,000 kilometers. Because street triple ownership is kind of before owning the Road 6 and after installing the Road 6. The bike has gained in some aspects and the bike has lost in some aspects. So this video will be regarding the Road 6, mostly the Road 6, because I'm also going today to install the Power 6 at the front. Road comfort setting lo pettichanu, which I am not liking. So I will change it to road setting now. Yeah, the gearbox, man. Yeah, I think somebody messed with the lever. I would like it here. Yeah, it's too damn close. Go up, go up. Yeah, okay, now it's fine. It's still a little bit closer, but yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah, okay, now. So a lot of things happened, guys. After Maredmalli ride, after Maredmalli ride, yeah, after Maredmalli ride, I went to multiple group rides. I went to Ongol ride, but the thing is, it's a pretty much high speed journey, okay? So yeah, I think it's not that much. You know why I came towards this road? Yeah, there are undulations, but the Road 6, man, I think the tire profile is in that way. It absorbs most of the bumps. Yeah, irregular things like this. Yeah, the Road 6 just dissects them. Their complete soft compound, the Continental ContiRoad. Such a damn good tire, man. But they are not available in India. Even if they are available, they are very delicate, because my red tire actually had life. I'll show you the tire in a minute. Nope, I think when I buy an adventure bike, I'll directly go to my farm and then I will show you the tire. So yeah, the Road 6 definitely, straight line stability is nowhere in the leagues of the ContiRoad. But on corners, it's obviously dual compound. So on corners, yeah, it's definitely a bit okayish. But man, I love my ContiRoad, man. The tire just grips. Yeah, see, the ride is bouncy as hell. That is because I adjusted my suspension. It's a personal opinion, it's a personal need. So even my touring phase or anything should only have performance elements in them. The new suspension setup, it is kinda okay, very nice. The Road 6 is kinda good. Yeah, I mean the road, man, it's kind of mostly okay, but yeah, only this 1 to 2 kilometers patch is where I'm finding issues. And also the mic setup, it is kind of not optimized. Yeah, the audio quality will definitely be better than any of my vlogs, but I am kind of fiddling with it. So yeah, I mean only this patch, man, only this part of the road, this 1 kilometer is damaging my tires. I mean, just look at it, look at how horrific it is. Yeah, but the Road 6 is kind of good. The ContiRoad is obviously a champ, but then again, yeah, pure soft compound. If you're a city guy, I'm still wonder, man. Even my front tire was gone. I don't know how people are extracting 12 to 14,000 kilometers from the tire. I think it's my tire is already, yeah, it's done. It already reached its marks. The tire wear alarm mark. I mean, pretty much understandable. You know why I don't put vlogs? Because all the present rides, I'm pretty much above. Yeah, see, I don't want to show myself above 200. Uh, Pretty much every ride I am above 200. So that is why I'm not posting any vlogs. There is content, but it is stupid fast content, which I don't encourage personally. So I'll give you a little glimpses of that. So yeah, talking about suspension. Yeah, I adjusted my suspension to the front is stock. Front అయితే మార్చలేదు. Front is absolute stock. The rear was set to road comfort. And yeah, guys, the bike is brilliant as hell now. Literally brilliant. I mean, just look at it popping over all these. In fact, it is so damn comfortable when I want to flick directions. Yeah, I think the bike is a little bit too comfy. So it doesn't feel like a street triple, it feels more like a Trident. Yeah, how a Trident is supposed to be. So I don't want all that plushness. What I want is a decent setup, which is not as hard as the stock. I mean, the compression and everything are fine. Yeah, see, that's it. Damn ditch and the bike taking it as a champ. Yeah, so definitely what happened is, since I softened the rear, the front have also kind of become a bit light-headed. I mean, that's how dynamics works. So that is also what I'm not liking. I want the front end feel of my street triple. The seat height also is kind of gotten a bit easy. So there is I think very much less weight on the front end, because I'm sitting a bit lower. My arms are a bit relaxed. Yeah, okay. For road riders, it's okay, but I'm not liking it. The way I want to ride the triple, I don't like it. Obviously, vachastaru. Okay. I mean, we need to be prepared for things like this. Yeah, so if you are a commuterist like this and you'll stay around 140, 150 cruise all day, yeah, then Road 6 is the type for you. But if you kind of push aggressively the bike left and right, canyon craver, then I don't think the Road 6 can keep up. I mean, I can get the reason, man, because the Road 6 was primarily made for heavier bikes. Bikes like, you know, the Suzuki GSX series, the GSX 1000, the Katana, or sport touring bikes like the Tiger Sport 660, and all these bikes are, you know, they weight about 200 kgs easily. The sport tourers, the GT class bikes, everything weights about 200, 220 kgs also. And street triple, you know, this bike is an absolute front end machine. There is nothing rear end, so there is not much weight on the rear. So the only purpose of the tire is to push the bike front. So yeah, kind of the Road 6 does it very brilliantly, but I just feel like, you know, unless I cross speeds of 100, 120, I can barely feel any feedback from the tire. I just couldn't feel the tire itself. That hard compound just doesn't work well until it's in warming temperatures. The corner soft compound is also takes its decent time to get warmed up and stuff. So all in all, unless you ride or you like corners, you I mean, I like corners mostly. I like corner riding instead of going on the highway in blisteringly dangerous speeds. I want to push the engine around corners. That is where I would like my driving to be. Okay, I'm not at all using quick shifter. I think, yeah, using the Gorilla a lot of times spoiled me. I think I need to use the quick shifter. I'm not using the triple much lately because, yeah. So here is the thing. My rear brake pads are gone. My front brake pads are around 15%, 15 to 20%. Probably 30%, but it's been a week of riding and I think they have degraded on the 10% also, so 20% left. The rear is already gone. I think only 5% left. I think usable material. The pads exist, but I'm not melting them. I will not melt them. I'm talking about usable range. There are still around 4 to 4.5 mm of thickness, but I think it's better to replace. The stock reading to replace would be when it reaches 3 mm. So why risk everything? I have a long trip ahead. Yeah, we're going to Horsley, so I think I will replace that. So there are corners in the front. Let us go. Let us deal with them. Yeah, here is suspension. Yeah, see that? The compression is still a bit too soft for my liking, and also in corners, yeah. The bike, I don't know why, if the dynamics or not, I just couldn't trust the front end into the road as much as I could do before. So definitely I'll take the compression back to stock. Rebound, I'll adjust one click towards the harder side. I think I'll do that after taking it to Horsley, because I think, yeah, I could find some good corners there. So until I go to Horsley, or not even Horsley, I think I should replace my front brake pads. Today I'll change the rear brake pads. Rear brake pads I went with Triumph OEM. The front though, I'm thinking of going with Brembo brake pads. Sintered only, sintered SA or LA. The only difference is LA works in every temperature. SA works at hot temperature when there is a load on the bike. But 99% I don't think I'll push the bike because I don't have much corners. I want SA pads only, but sadly they are not available. Only LA is available even in Bangalore. So yeah, I'll go with the LA. If I don't like them, then I think, yeah, I'll kind of use the bike for touring purpose and then swap back to SA. Oh, peppy. Yeah, but I mean the Sherpa 450, man. After using that bike, even coming to C triple, I mean, I said in one of my reviews, right, I will ride the Sherpa engine all day, freaking every day. Yeah, I wanted went into the ditch. Yeah, the Road 6, man, is just superbly brilliant tire. Yeah, you will lose a little bit of feedback unless you are on corners when you go to the soft compound part of the tire. But then again, as a rear tire it's okay, as a front tire, nope, I would never rely. A street triple, especially only because it's a street triple. If it's an adventure tourer or even Tiger Sport 660, Tiger, any brand, I think, yeah, eyes closed, go with the Road 6, man, eyes closed. But performance bikes, I don't think the Road 6 is built for us to begin with. We got the Power 6 series, so just a minute, this column, man, this collar keeps, yeah, the suspension is too soft. I couldn't feel anything on the road, so I just keep going on them. So yeah, that's it for the video. And definitely change this suspension to a little bit stiffer setup. And obviously the tires, I decided I'll not go with the Road 6 at the front. I'll go with the Power 6, which is already en route to Vijayawada. So I'll get it installed. So in the next video, what's the next video? Next video would be the maintenance. The maintenance story of the super bikes, not only for streetable, for super bikes. And also I hope the audio turns out good. I was kind of fiddling with the audio, so yeah, see the tires just slipped a bit. No, forgot guys. So how is the horn now? This is literally 500 rupees horn guys, 500 or 580 I think. Hey, so was kind of fun, eh? Yeah, far better than the stock horn. I could at least hear my horn now. So yeah, this is where my suspension and tire setup both will show. Yeah, see, previously it used to eat me out, the rebound. Now I'm just sitting on the bike. If you're a beginner, kind of go with the Rosso 4. If you are experienced, obviously stay with the Road 6, because I think I can control even with the traction not intervening. I know where the tire slip. That's my level of experience. Canonically I have 8+ years experience, and unofficially I have 10+ years before I got my license. At that timeline included, I am riding since 10 years. This is the pure testing ground for everything, for the tires, for suspension, everything. I mean, just look at the streetable glide on these, man. Yeah, I'm only torturing because guys, today I am replacing the front tire. I am replacing the rear brake pad, so obviously both my rims will come out today. Yeah, so if anything, yeah, let us torture my bike today, because I don't think the streetable will be used much, because I am getting myself a Sherpa 450. Which will it be? Will it be the Gorilla 450 or will it be the Himalayan 450? Time to find out. And both are user guys. I will not spoil you guys. I will not give false hopes to you. Both are user bikes only. I'll get either one of them. Or should I get both? Stuff for future videos. Still remains the RS stock setup. Still is the top of the line for me. As Sagar said in his reviews, man, just even in the softest setting, this just doesn't feel natural. I mean, yeah, it is comfortable. There is nothing discussion about it. It is damn comfortable, but it feels like how the suspension should be on a Trident, not on a street triple. So that is my greatest gripe. Best pointer feels very less compared to RS stock setup. Yeah, that's how good the RS is, because I rode it right. So yeah, so I think I will replace the rear with oilings, then only I can properly love my bike. So there is a build. I'll definitely replace the rear shocks with oilings. Front MCS master cylinder though is kind of need to be verified, because I like my front brakes already, man. They're super sweet. Not aggressive or damn hard, they are super sweet. Perfect sweet spot.